Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss field level security profile in Dynamic 365 field service and enable you to grant the access to limit user group so who can read, create or update to a field. And field level security is available for the default field and on out of the box entity custom fields and custom fields on custom entity. And field level security is managed by the security profile, a field security profile, so it can be issued to your user or team member. And field level security permission in field service is read, create and update. Basically, read only access to the field's data, and create, user or teams can add data to this field when creating a record. Update, user or team in this profile can update the field's data after it has been created. Now, how to enable field security profile in field service. First, navigate Make.Power app, then click on Solutions and select the solution in which you are working on. So, I want to take a summary field for the work order entity. Now, click on Work Order from here and then click on Columns. Now, select the field for which you want to enable the restriction. So, I am using a summary field. So, click on that and then click on three dot and then click on Edit. Now click on Advanced Option drop down and then click on Enable Column Security. So I have already enabled it and then click on Save button. Now we will configure field security profile. So first go back. Now click on plus new drop down from here and then go to the security and then click on column security profile from here. So here you will give the name of new field security profile, but I have already created. So now go back. As you can see, I have created these three field security profile. In this field, service administrator can create, view or edit the summary field. So click on that and add team or user. So I will add a user. So now click on that. So I have already add this user. And if you want to add new user, so click on add button from here. So under the common section, click on field permission. So all the secure field is here and all those field which will have enable for the field security, it will display here. Now click on that particular field for which you want to restrict the permission and then click on edit. So here I will give all the permission, read, update and create. Then click on OK button and then click on save button. So here field service dispatcher role I am considering can only read the data in the summary field. Now click on field service dispatcher and then click on users from here. So I have already add this user demo1. Now click on field permission. Now click on this field and then click on edit. So here I will give only read permission. Now click on OK button and then click on save button. So I want to summary data to be disabled for the resource role. So click on this role and then add user. So I have already add this user demo3 and then click on field permission. Now click on this field. So I will not give any permission. Now click on edit. So I will not give any permission. So click on OK button and then click on save button. Now go back to the field service application and firstly refresh it. Now click and now using the level up extension Dynamic 365 to impersonate the user. So click on that. Now click on level up from here and then click on impersonate and search user as demo2. So click on that and then click on impersonate. So now user is demo2. So in this field, as you can see, I have read, create and update permission. Now click on save button. Again use the level up extension and impersonate the user as demo1. So in this field, I have only read permission and again impersonate the user as demo 3. So you can observe that you will not be able to view the data in the summary field, and I have disabled all the permission. So in this video we covered what are field level security profiles and how can apply the field security to the user in Microsoft Dynamics 365 field service. Thanks for watching.